G'day guys, John from Traveller Caravans. We're excited to be here today to introduce you to our new range of Traveller Caravans. Behind me we have our 20-foot destination cruise on-road caravans. So come with me and let me show you all the features this caravan's got. Full composite build on the sides, fronts, backs and a one-piece roof. We also have a one-piece honeycomb floor built for strength, durability and excellent insulation properties. 2 by 9.5 kilo gas bottles, a 50mm tow hitch, an Alco jockey wheel and an external tap to get your fresh water from. And a front tunnel boot with excellent storage all the way through to the other side. A Dometic awning and aluminium framed low profile windows. Our caravans are built on an Alco chassis which has been designed and built in Australia using Australian blue scope steel. In this caravan, this has also been fitted with Alco 7-leaf suspension, which has also been engineered and developed and built in Australian for Australian road conditions. All our Traveller caravans come with this exclusive lifestyle entertainment hatch, which has 240 volt outlets, it has 12 volt outlets, external speakers. You can also take your TV from inside your caravan, mount it on the outside, have a beer while you're watching the footy, and we also throw in a Dometic 2-burner gas stove, also with a picnic table. Spare tyre mounted on the rear. We also have a rear bar, and the most important thing on the back is a reversing camera, which makes it a lot easier to reverse into tight, gnarly spots in a caravan park. Again, on this side, we have our beautifully designed European aluminium framed flat windows. Also, we use nothing but quality on our vans. We use a Dometic cassette toilet. For those that want instant hot water and as much hot water as you can get, we have a gas hot water service. So as long as you've got gas in your bottle and plenty of water, you can have as much hot water as you like. For those that require additional solar connected to your caravans, we have an additional Anderson plug mounted externally, so you can connect a blanket or an additional solar panel without the regulator straight onto this point. When you have access to mains water, you can actually connect your tap straight into this via a hose. We also have a 125 amp lithium battery, which is coupled with 200 watts of solar on the roof. Plenty of power for all your requirements. Our water pumps are now located in the battery box for easy serviceability. We also have bypass valves in there, so if you've got dual water tanks, we have a bypass valve you can draw from one tank or the other. Now that we've seen all the external features of the van, let's wander inside the van and show you the many packed features this van's got. In the bedroom area, we have a full-size queen bed. We have dual light reading lights. We have power points on either side of the bed. Overhead cupboards, robes, and we also have some drawers. We have overhead LED strip lighting and strip lighting below the cupboards as well. Also under the bed, we have plenty of storage, so you can actually store your additional items under the bed. And how's this for a living area, guys? We have a huge U-shaped lounge. Plenty of room for you, your wife and a few people to come over and have a few beers and a lovely evening's meal. Lovely parcel shelf up the top here to put additional items. LED strip lighting is also below and above the overhead cupboards. Internal speakers so that you can listen to the radio. It's also Bluetooth to your TV if you want to listen to something inside. Come over to our kitchen area. We have a recessed cooktop. Recessed cooktops are standard in all our vans. This gives additional space here for food preparation and easy to access your stove. So basically lift the lid up, and here's our mini grill. So our mini grill is a 3-burner gas stove with 1 electric element. So if you're in a caravan park and you've got 240 volt mains, you can actually have that element there going as well. We also have a stainless steel kitchen sink with hot and cold running water. So depending whether you connect it to your tank water or your mains, turn your tap on and away you go. We also have a range hood as well. So when you're cooking those items and you're getting a lot of steam coming out, you need to make sure you've got your range hood turned on. We also have power points in the kitchen area, USB charging points. To keep you guys nice and cool, all our Traveller vans come standard with our Gree 3.5 kilowatt air conditioning unit with a remote control. Also down here we have a Dometic fridge. Also we have an NCE microwave oven, so if you've made up a meal the night before, you can preheat it the next day and eat your meals. We're in the ensuite area and we have a fully equipped ensuite with a separate toilet and a separate shower. We also have a full cabinet mounted on the back wall with plenty of storage for all your toiletry requirements. As you can see, we also have a ceramic bowl and also hot and cold water running through the stainless steel tap. and a Dometic cassette toilet. And we also have a full shower. Standard with all our Traveller range of caravans, we're using the new projector Intelli RV system, which monitors your water tank levels, your grey water tank levels, monitors how much solar is coming in, how much input is coming in through your auxiliary inputs like your Anderson plug, your 240 volt mains, and it also monitors how much power is being used when the lights and all your accessories are on. It is also Bluetoothed to your phone, so if you're app savvy and you want to see what your system's doing, you download the app and you can check all the details of the system through your app.